Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today, I'm diving into a tiny word with a big impact, albeit. Understanding and using this word correctly could give you that extra edge on test day. So let's unlock the power of albeit. First off, what does albeit mean? Simply put, albeit is a conjunction that means although or even though. It's used to introduce a contrast, often making your sentences more sophisticated and nuanced. For example, you could say, she was making progress, albeit slowly. Here, albeit connects two contrasting ideas, progress and the speed of that progress. So why is this little word important for the GRE? The GRE is all about testing your ability to understand and use complex language. Knowing words like albeit can help you better comprehend reading passages and craft more compelling essays. Plus, understanding these kinds of words shows the examiners that you have a strong command of the English language. Now let's talk about how to use albeit correctly. It's usually followed by an adjective, adverb, or a prepositional phrase. Here's another example. His explanation was clear, albeit a bit long-winded. Notice how albeit introduces a nuance or a slight contrast to the first part of the sentence. Using albeit in your writing can add precision and elegance. But be careful, don't overuse it. Like any powerful tool, it's most effective when used sparingly. Think of it as the secret ingredient in a recipe. A little goes a long way. Now you might be wondering, how can I practice using albeit and other GRE vocabulary? Reading high-quality materials like academic journals, sophisticated magazines, and classic literature can expose you to these words in context. Try incorporating them into your everyday speech and writing too. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Another great tip is to make a GRE vocabulary list. Write down new words you encounter, along with their definitions and example sentences. Review this list regularly to reinforce your learning. There are also plenty of GRE prep apps and flashcards available that can help you build your vocabulary on the go. Remember, mastering GRE vocabulary is not just about memorization, it's about understanding how these words function in sentences and using them appropriately. Words like albeit can make your arguments more compelling and your communication more precise. So, there you have it. Albeit might be a small word, but it packs a punch in the realm of GRE vocabulary. Start incorporating it into your practice and you'll be well on your way to impressing those GRE examiners. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more GRE tips and tricks. Until next time, keep studying and stay motivated. End of script.